Hi guys, today I'm going to unbox and show you my first hands-on of the UMI Touch. It features a fingerprint scanner on the front, a 4000 mAh battery and Sony IMX 328 camera. So let's start. So let me start out with the unboxing, and after that I will show the phone in action. It comes in this nice new type of black box. It looks very stylish. We see the UMI logo, then also a barcode, and last we see the UMI website. In the bottom we have a CE logo and the IMI numbers. And let's slide it open. And I must say that the packaging has an amazing finish. On the back we find the phone specifications. Inside we first see the phone and a sticker on the back side. But let me put it aside for now. And let's check the rest of the content. We find a quick start guide and a small pin. Here we see the overview of the phone and also the accessories included, and again all the listed specifications. Then inside here we find a normal micro USB cable in white. So this is not this time USB Type-C. And last but not least, a standard 5V 1A wall charger, so it seems that there will be no fast charging. Let's have a close look at the phone design. Looks really nice. The backside is made of alloy and the frame is nicely polished. We see a sticker with the IMI numbers on the back, a dual tone LED flash and the main camera. Let me remove the front plastic and notice that it comes with a pre-installed screen protector. It feels pretty comfortable in the hand, but I must say that it feels a bit heavy. So I'm also going to remove the screen protector so we can have a better look at the front glass and design. Okay, so let's have a look at the phone. Let me turn it on. So this is the absolute first time I turn on the phone and the battery is low. I haven't charged it yet and I'm also not connected to the Wi-Fi yet, but let's just try to unlock. So here we have the UI. Looks a lot like on the UMI Ion and other UMI phones. Let's see here the app drawer. Okay, there are no more apps. Let's see, can I just press here or do I have to press down? Actually I have to press down here on the fingerprint scanner. We see we have backlight in the menu and back buttons. Let me try to hold down. See the recent apps. So there are no apps open right now. Let's check here the standard stock apps on the phone. We have FM radio. Play Store is pre-installed, so that's good. And let's try out the camera app. Let me try to take a picture here. Okay, so the shutter speed is not the fastest I've seen, but seems to be okay. The autofocus is also working. Let's check out the picture. Details seems to be okay. We see the texture, the pattern here on the Bose speaker. Let's check out the settings. So let me just scroll through these and let's go to the bottom and see about phone. So what we see here is that the Android 6.0, see the kernel and the build number, and let's check out the Android version. Okay, let's get back here in the settings again, and let me just try to scroll up here. Let's see, we have smart wake. Double tap to wake the screen, so let me just try this out. Yeah, this is working great. Let me disable this again. Let's see, we also have off-screen gestures, memory, we have the storage, we have display, MiraVision. Let's see what we else have. Turbo download, Bluetooth, SIM cards and so on. And let me try to set up the fingerprint in security. Continue. Let's try out with a pin. Okay, so I need to press my finger on the front. So this seems to take a while. Now it's faster, almost done. Come on, come on. Yep. And let's try here just to place my finger. Okay. Let's try here again. Works pretty well and fast, as you can see. So I don't have to press down on the button, but let's try this anyway. This will also work. Just touch it and it will unlock instantly. So very nice fingerprint scanner. Seems to work great, and it's also pretty fast. Let's try out the highest brightness. Very bright here, and let's try the lowest. So that's it. This was just a very quick first hands-on of the UMI Touch, and I will of course bring a full review later on my channel, so just stay tuned for more. Please like the video and subscribe for even more videos. If you have any questions, comment below. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.